Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that animal agriculture is responsible for nearly 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions? That's the same as all the world's cars, planes, and trains combined. But here's the good news, by simply shifting to a plant-based diet, we can make a huge difference in saving our planet. Let's dive into how our food choices can be a powerful tool for the environment. Alright, let's get real about the impact of animal agriculture. First off, greenhouse gas emissions are a massive issue. Cows, for example, produce methane, a greenhouse gas that's over 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. And it doesn't stop there. The land needed for grazing and growing animal feed leads to deforestation, wiping out vital ecosystems. And, get this, it takes about 1,800 gallons of water to produce just 1 pound of beef. That's insane. We're depleting our precious resources, and our planet is struggling to keep up. So, why should we consider a plant-based diet? For starters, it can drastically reduce our carbon footprint. By choosing to eat more fruits, veggies, grains, and legumes, we're cutting back on emissions and conserving water. Did you know that producing plant-based foods generally requires much less water than animal products? Plus, eating plant-based helps preserve biodiversity. More plants mean healthier ecosystems, which is a win-win for all living beings on this planet. And here's a powerful example to illustrate this impact. Back in 2019, a city in the Netherlands decided to introduce plant-based meals in their public schools. They saw a 47% drop in their carbon emissions related to food. Not only were the kids healthier, but this small change inspired other cities to follow suit. This just goes to show how our food choices can create a ripple effect that benefits the entire planet. So, to wrap it all up, the choices we make every day can have a profound impact on our planet. By adopting a plant-based diet, we can tackle greenhouse gas emissions, conserve water, and protect our precious biodiversity. It's clear that our plates can be a force for good. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on switching to a plant-based diet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious about how to incorporate more plant-based meals into your life, don't miss the link in the description for some easy, delicious recipes that can help you get started. Let's save the planet together, one meal at a time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our eco-friendly tips and tricks.